Most PC games are designed to work on the Windows operating system, so have you ever wondered how games work on the Steam Deck, and in some cases even better than on Windows? Well, the answer is Proton. Proton is the compatibility layer for gaming on Linux and was developed by Valve in cooperation with the developers Codeweavers. It makes it possible for Windows-based games to run on Linux, including Steam OS, which is the operating system used on the Steam Deck. The good news is that Proton is included in Steam OS. You don't need to do anything at all. It's updated regularly to make it compatible with more games and also improve stability and compatibility across a wide variety of games, both new and old. Valve even has an experimental version that you can try out that has updates that have not yet made it to the stable release of Proton. So why am I talking to you about Proton GE? Well, Proton GE is another version of Proton that's available to you. So what is Proton GE, and how do you install Proton GE on your Steam Deck? And why would you want to use Proton GE? And when am I going to stop saying Proton GE? I'm glad you asked. Proton GE is a custom version of Proton that incorporates the enhancements from the regular Proton and the experimental Proton, but we've added fixes, added patches to make it more compatible with more games. This version of Proton is managed by Glorious Eggroll, hence the GE. The main advantages of this is that it's updated far more regularly than the Valve version of Proton, resulting in better performance for more games than the regular Proton and experimental versions. However, with more frequent updates, there is a negative, and that is that there may be more bugs introduced than the more stable release of Proton. But if you're having compatibility issues with your games, then Proton GE is definitely worth exploring. So how do we install Proton GE on your Steam Deck? Well, this is very, very simple. So over on your Steam Deck, you'll need to jump over to the desktop mode, and then we'll launch the Discover Store. And the application we're looking to install is called Proton Up. We then simply click Install, and this will take a few moments to install. Once it's installed, we then simply click Launch to launch the application. All we need to do is select Add Version, and then from the pop-up we want to make sure under Compatibility Tool that we select GE Proton, and then under the version option we select the version of Proton GE that we want to install. I'd always recommend selecting the latest version, which will be the first one in the list. You then click the install button and wait for it to do its thing. You'll know once it's finished because the window will close and you'll see the version you had installed under Installed Compatibility Tools. You can then close down the application and return to gaming mode. So back in gaming mode, we now have the option to force a game to run using Proton GE instead of the regular version of Proton. To do this, you simply go to the game. In this example, I'm using Sleeping Dogs, and then I go over to Settings and then Properties. Then under Compatibility option, I enable the compatibility mode, and then from the list, I can now select Proton GE. We'll also see earlier versions of Proton listed, also Proton Experimental. Once I select Proton GE, I can then close down the properties and boot the game. So a couple of recommendations. First of all, if you are already getting great performance already from a game, then I wouldn't recommend swapping to Proton GE. But if you're having issues even launching a game, or performance is terrible, or a game may have been working fine before but then suddenly starts performing badly, then I'd definitely give it a go and definitely recommend trying out Proton GE. Now in my testing with Sleeping Dogs, using the regular version of Proton, the game was able to launch and I managed to play for a short while, but then the game would crash and then I had a hard time getting the game to reload. So I tried Proton GE, the latest version, and it seems to have resolved all those issues, and I'm actually able to play for a longer period of time with no issues. The frame rate and everything is great. I'm not seeing any improvement in performance, but having the game not crash, of course, is a big improvement. So if you do have Sleeping Dogs, then I would recommend installing the latest version of Proton GE. So now you've watched my video on Proton GE, you should now watch my video on Proton DB. Or if you're interested in plugins, check out my latest video.